Josh, read for us. Find
Find the positive angle and negative angle that are coterminal with the 45 degrees.
All right, I'm first going to use the formula, and then I'm going to show you a picture. This will kind of help you make sense of what we're doing. So I have the angle plus the number of rotations times 360 degrees. And the given angle they've given us is how much? 45 degrees. Put that there. Okay. Now, here, this represents the number of rotations. If it is a positive number, that means it produces a positive angle. And a negative number produces a negative rotation. So, if I want a positive number, I can just say 1. Class 1 times 360 is? And 45 plus 360 is? 405 degrees. So basically you could put any positive number in here. Does that make sense? Here, let's just say, I don't know, -2. So -2 times 360 would be? -720. So 45 minus 720 gives us? $75, right? So here I have produced one positive and one negative angle. If I had to summarize it, basically you're just adding or subtracting 360. Now, the picture is the harder part. So draw yourself a coordinate plane. Go ahead and draw yourself a 45-degree angle. I know 45 degrees would be in quadrant 1. I know that this is 90, so it has to be in between here. So 45 should be something like this. Remember, this is my starting point, and then you're going up. Okay? Let's mark that, 45 degrees. Alright, let me demonstrate to you guys a positive angle that is coterminal with 45 degrees, and there is one rotation. Class positive from this angle would be going in which direction? Clockwise or counterclockwise? Counterclockwise. Look at this. I went in that direction. That's 360 degrees. It's a plus 360 degrees. So my angle ends up at the same place, the same spot. So if we go to Paris to meet Pamela, right? Someone goes around the Atlantic, I go over the Pacific, we end up in the same position. Let me show you a negative angle. A negative angle, we said, you're just making up a number. A negative number. We said -2 rotations. From this angle, 45 degrees, to go a negative rotation, has to go in which direction, class? Clockwise. So look, count with me. Here's how I go. 1, 2. It ends up in the same position because they are what? Coterminal angles. Just think of it as this way. Have you guys played that game with the spinner? And you flick it? It never ends up on the same spot, does it? And it's kind of weird if it does. In that case, if it does, that's called a coterminal angle.